Looking to figure out which AI writing assistant is the best for copywriting? Jarvis versus Copy.ai, two of the most popular tools in this space. But which one delivers the best results when it comes to crafting engaging, high-converting copy? Stick around till the end, because I'll be giving you my honest opinion on these two, and you might be surprised by the conclusion. Let's start by comparing the ease of use. Jarvis, now known as Jasper, is designed with a smooth interface that's relatively intuitive. However, it does come with a bit of a learning curve if you want to get the most out of its advanced features. Meanwhile, Copy.ai offers a simple, straightforward design. For beginners, Copy.ai is a bit easier to dive into, but some users might find its simplicity limiting over time. Next, let's talk about the variety of templates each platform offers. Jarvis boasts a massive library of templates, from blog posts to Facebook ads to email sequences. This gives users the flexibility to switch between different types of copywriting without having to start from scratch. Copy.ai also offers a solid variety of templates, but it might feel a bit more limited compared to Jarvis, especially if you're working across various niches. The third thing we should look at is the quality of the content generated. Jarvis tends to deliver more polished content, particularly for long-form writing. The AI seems to do a better job at maintaining tone and coherence throughout longer pieces. Copy.ai, on the other hand, excels in short-form copy. Think social media posts, product descriptions, or headlines. But for longer blog posts or emails, it might require a bit more editing. Now, let's get into the pricing. Jarvis is on the pricier side, with its lowest tier coming in at around $29 a month for limited features. The more premium plans, which give you access to all templates and features, are much more expensive, which could be a deal breaker for small businesses or solopreneurs. Copy.ai, on the other hand, offers a free plan with basic features and a more affordable Pro plan starting at $35 a month. But the trade-off is you're paying for a more limited feature set compared to Jarvis. The fifth thing to consider is customer support. Jarvis offers 24/7 support and a strong community of users. The resources available are extensive, including tutorials and webinars, which makes the learning curve easier to handle. Copy.ai has solid customer service too, but it's not as in-depth as Jarvis's support. That being said, Copy.ai's simplicity means you might not need as much support in the first place. Finally, we need to talk about the integrations and extra features. Jarvis is more robust here, offering seamless integrations with platforms like Surfer SEO and Grammarly. This can be a huge help if you're looking to optimize your content for SEO. Copy.ai doesn't have as many integrations, but it does offer a handy browser extension, which can speed up your copywriting process. All things considered, both Jarvis and Copy.ai are solid options for copywriting. Jarvis offers more flexibility and better long-form content quality, but its price and learning curve could be a drawback for some. Copy.ai, on the other hand, is fantastic for quick, short-form copy, and it's much easier on your wallet. But if you're looking for a tool that combines the best of both worlds, great content quality, ease of use, and reasonable pricing, I've found a better alternative after trying both of these. Check out the first link in the description to get access to a free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. You'll be able to test it out for yourself and see why it might be the best fit for your copywriting needs.